What are you doing, Kyle? Nothing. What are you doing? You playing more games? That looks like a pretty neat game there. Who taught you how to play it?
Dad.
Daddy? Oh, is it hard? Do you want Mommy to just leave you alone and let you play all night?
Do you want to play with me?
Oh, well, I don't even think I could play that game. It looks hard. I like the song. Whoa, dude. You're good at this. Alright, say bye.